Hi everybody, welcome back to step 4. So now we're going to work on our chipboard labels, and we're going to put some of the gold mousse on each piece. And you can see that each piece comes with a hole in it. That's because it was purposed for something else, and we're going to cover that during our design process. So let's go ahead and cover this label. And as we're doing this, don't forget to do the edges, because if your banner is hanging like on your mantle or across a window, when you look up at it, you don't want to see sort of that raw edge of your pieces. Okay. All right, that's done. Okay, so you would let this dry for several minutes, and then I'm going to glue this label using some tacky glue. Onto the first green banner piece. And I'm placing it so that the hole here is at the lower right corner. And then the last piece, or rather the second piece, is going to go on the pink and green banner. Okay. All right, oops. Okay, so let that dry for a few minutes, and we'll come back and we'll do step 5.